Good morning, this is Shailesh Kumar, and today in this video we will have to show that each of the following numeral is meaningless. So we came to first question, that this is V and C. V is written on the left hand side of C. It means V is subtracted from C, but we know that V, L, D are never subtracted. Therefore this is meaningless. So firstly I will explain you each question and after that I will write. Now IL. L means 50 and I means 1. It means 1 is subtracted from 50, but we know I can be subtracted from only V and X. It cannot be subtracted from L. Therefore it is meaningless. Now VVII. It means 5, 5 plus 5 and 2. V is repeated here, but we know the V, L, D are never repeated. Okay, therefore that's why it is wrong. Now here IXX. It means here it is being written that 9 is subtracted from 10, but it not happens. Okay, if we want to write 19, then we will have to write like this, XIX. Okay, this is right, but this is wrong. Okay, so we will give the reason that 9 cannot be subtracted from 10. Okay, now here XXX and X, it means X is there 4 times. No symbol in the Roman numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. Therefore this is wrong. Here VX. V mean 5 and X mean 10. It means 5. So it is wrong. The symbol V is never subtracted. Okay. Now IC. It means 100 and this is I, that is 1. It means it suggests that 1 is subtracted from 100. But as we know, I cannot be subtracted from C. I can be subtracted from V and X only. Now XVV. It means X 10, 5, 10, 5, 5. It means 20. So it is wrong. As we know, V is never repeated. So the correct form will to write 20 will this. So it is wrong. Now I have explained to you people. Now just you have to write their answers in the language. So V is never subtracted. Here in the second, I can be subtracted from only V and X. V and X. And here we can say that V is never repeated. IX can't be subtracted from X. Here repetition is not allowed more than 3 times. More than 3 times. Now V cannot be subtracted. I can be subtracted from V and X only. I can be subtracted from V and X only. XVV. Now V is never repeated. Now all the reason and the explanation has been done in this video for the proper application and understanding of the rules for the numeration in the Roman number system. Thank you.